Welcome to Always Analog, where we celebrate the beauty of analog technology in the digital world. Today, a pencil review celebrating school supply season 2022. A couple weeks ago or so, I reviewed the Pentel Graph Gear 300 mechanical pencil. Again, I always say up front, I do not default to mechanical pencils. They are not my first choice. I really prefer a wood pencil. That said, I get a lot of requests to review mechanical pencils, and so if I find a good deal on one, I will pick it up. Such is the case with both the Graph Gear 300 and this Graph Gear 500 at my local Kroger store. They were on sale, and then the Pentel display had a manufacturer's coupon for another $1 off. So this pencil, I want to say, was $3.23, maybe $3.23, I think, with the coupon, something in that range. So pretty affordable for this kind of a pencil. And this is what they had. They had it in a 0.7 millimeter lead. I really prefer something larger than that, like a 0.9 or even greater. But anyways, this is what they had, so this is what I got. But, I think for the price, it looked like a really nice pencil. And in addition to the pencil, you got a bonus container of 12 additional leads and a Pentel high polymer eraser, which no one has to sell me on because I think they're one of the finest erasers out there overall. So here's the package. It's on a blister pack. Graph Gear 500 mechanical drafting pencil, 0.7 millimeter medium, superior quality, HB lead, same as a number 2 pencil, bonus eraser, there it is, engineered for precision, Pentel. On the back, it tells you have a 0.7 millimeter mechanical drafting pencil, 1 bonus block eraser, and 1 tube with 12 lead refills. Cap conceals and protects a latex-free eraser. Tells you what the refill eraser is. And then, of course, they give you one with the block eraser there. Sturdy metal clip attaches to notebooks and pockets for safe keepings. And you can see it is available in 4 lead sizes. So there is a 0.9 millimeter, which is generally what I would want, but it wasn't in this mix. They only had available at Kroger. I'd have to maybe order one online. Built-in textured grip provides a secure hold. 4 millimeter fixed sleeve length for drafting and stencil use. So, don't forget, basically, don't forget your lead refills here. Package recycling, HB number 2, limited warranty for the USA on this. The pencil is made in Japan. The lead is made in Japan. The eraser is made in Taiwan. So there you have it. And I'm going to open this up. I kind of hard to tell. I was trying to tell in the store and here. I think this is blue. Yes. It is a blue. It actually, and probably in large part because of this this metal base here, this has some weight to it. And the way that this is sort of burled here really provides a grip. And you can probably see it is a little larger circumference coming down here around the holder. The barrel itself is hexagonal. Here is the lead advance, and you pull this out and it reveals pretty puny eraser. So, I mean, I guess if that's all you had, it would work, but I think these erasers are particularly small. Graph Gear 500, 0.7 Pentel. There's a sticker with the UPC code on it. That peels off. You can take that off. Let's get a closer look at this. Look at that. Chrome, shiny. There's that lead coming out. Nice clip. Yeah, and again, it has a substantial feel with this metal grip on the end. Well, let's write with it, see how it does. Very comfortable to hold. Let me say that on the onset. So some observations. Smooth. You know, for those of us who really like wood pencils, so many of us really understand the quality of many of the Japanese pencils, particularly the Japanese cores and attention to quality of the wood and the paint job. I'm thinking of the Mitsubishi pencils. I'm thinking of the Kitabashi pencils, the Blackwing pencils as well. And so this is in the tradition. The quality of the graphite is very good. It is smooth and it is dark and it writes nicely. The the tone is very nice. It is very much a number 2. I would say a number 2 minus, maybe even a little bit slightly softer than a 2HB, but not a 1B, not that soft, but just slightly softer. and it is a comfortable pencil to hold, primarily because of the size and the texture of this metal grip. Relatively quiet. Yeah, we definitely have some smudge, which I'm not surprised given the relative firmness or lack thereof of the core. All right, we're going to try doing some erasing. So let me try our little attached eraser here. The other thing, it doesn't cover a lot of ground, but I guess for general writing, it's probably fine. Okay. Yeah, it does all right. Now, let's try, this is a little bit of a larger version than the one included, but let's see how that does. Excellent. Look at that. Almost completely disappears. Milan. Pink carnation. A magic rub. Japanese foam. And art gum. Yep. Well, it loses slightly with the attached eraser, but it's going to get an A-. Overall, it really erases nicely. Okay, sorry my phone's ringing, you might hear it there. So, really writes nicely, and I have to say, again, mechanical pencil is not my default, but this is a nice one. I might prefer a 0.9 millimeter in the graphite, but it writes beautifully. So if you're looking for a mechanical pencil that's not disposable, that can be used repeatedly for years by refilling, it might be a pencil to invest in. and it's not that expensive to begin with, but if you can find it on sale, particularly during school supply season, all the better. So, thanks for hanging out with me as I give this Pentel Graph Gear 500 a try. If you like what I do, please share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you again soon, right back here on Always Analog.